morning, ladies and gentlemen. I want to welcome you guys in my YouTube channel. Today basically we are going to study about downloading Mendeley. Downloading Mendeley, we shall always use Google Chrome. So we open up our Google Chrome. You give it some time to open. Give it some time. Yeah, our Google is definitely open. So we shall search for Mendeley app. You type Mendeley, 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 Mendeley. Then you enter. After entering, it brings in Mendeley homepage. Then the second one, download Mendeley. So you click on downloading Mendeley. You click on downloading Mendeley. So after clicking that, it brings in Mendeley Reference Manager. Then the other thing, download now for Windows. So you click on download for now. You click on that. You click on that. So definitely we are downloading Mendeley references. And it has already started downloading. So this is one way of downloading it. We download it from Google Chrome directly. Yeah, I know it's going to be taking a little bit of time, but you keep on waiting. Yeah, I think now it has been successfully downloaded. So now after that, yes, it has been successfully downloaded. So now after downloading, we open it. We give it time to open. We are opening. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I think now we can open our download. We open it. After opening it, you give it time. Yes, now after opening it, it gives us here option, choose installation options. We have anyone who uses this computer? Only me. Yes, then we shall continue. Next. Then after that we shall now install. You click on install. So it is installing. It is installing. Yes, it is still installing. You give it some little time. Yes, now the installation is done. So you come this side and you complete by clicking the finish button. You finish it. Yeah. So this is our Mendeley. You give it a little time now. Yes, now our Mendeley is opening. We have managed to download and installing it. So you begin on noting procedures on how to download, install a Mendeley app. Give it some little time, it's still opening. Yes, exactly, it has loaded now. Look at the overview for this case now. We can decide in by adding any references. If we go through overview, then now we can decide in to add some references. We can decide to import library. Then for that case, you come to overview, table of rows setting, we have compact view. You go into that one. You click on that. Yes, for my case, it has gone straight through because I already downloaded the Mendeley and have my account on it. So now we can add in references, the impact of climate change on agricultural production. Is it a difference for Africa? You click on that. It's loading a PDF account. Yes, I believe that it has already finished downloading the impact of climate change on agricultural production. So we are trying to add on references. And that is it. Yes. Yeah, I think that one is done. can add in tags. If not, we cannot even decide to add on that. So I believe we have learned today how to download, how to install and creating an account. Definitely when you're opening it, it will ask you to create an account. If you're a new person, you enter in your email, your password, then definitely the Mendeley will open and you start working upon it. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time, thank you for listening. Endeavor to subscribe, like and comment about the channel, as we shall be meeting in the next discussion. Thank you.